stillness where your presence fills the air. I can lay down all my burdens. You are waiting for me there. So I rest in you, in the Sabbath of my soul. Every breath renewed as you make the weary whole. All my worry falls as I trust what you control. Here I stop, here I breathe, in the Sabbath of my soul. You are gentle in your leading, never rushing me ahead. In the silence, you restore me. Speak the words I've left unsaid. Teach my restless heart to listen. Teach my busy hands to cease. Let my mind return to wonder. Let my spirit taste your peace. So I rest in you, in the Sabbath of my soul. Every breath renewed as you make the weary whole. All my worry falls as I trust what you control. Here I stop, here I breathe, in the Sabbath of my soul. You are working while I'm resting. You are holding all I fear. I can slow down without losing, for your presence draws me near. Let my life reflect your rhythm. Let my days align with grace. Teach me how to trust your timing. Teach me how to keep your pace. So I rest in you, in the Sabbath of my soul. Every breath renewed as you make the weary whole. I release my rush, let your peace restore control. Here I stop, here I breathe, in the Sabbath of my soul.